The beguiling fragrance of the hyacinth, Hyacinthus orientalis, and its magnificent colors not only put the garden in a festive mood in the spring, but also beautify the living room. Because in winter, the bulbous plant can be made to bloom in cooler rooms. The bulbous plant belongs to the large family of herbaceous plants. Characteristic of the hyacinth is that the leaves and flowers begin to grow at the same time. The leaves are green, slightly shiny, striped and envelop the flower shaft. The leaves reach a height of 25 to 30 centimeters and, just like the tall flowers, develop a weight of their own that should not be underestimated. Therefore, especially in living areas, care must be taken to ensure a secure stand. The flowers also reach a considerable height of about 30 centimeters. The flower shaft bears bell-shaped flowers from April to May. The combination of dense racemose bloom and the sweet, very intense fragrance make the hyacinth a very popular spring bloomer. There are almost no limits to the flower colors, thanks to many hybrids. From delicate white and pink, to bold colors like red and orange, to blue and purple, hyacinth flowers delight with varied shades. The bulbous plant forms capsule fruits. The seed is spherical and dark brown to black. The hyacinth loves a well-drained, chalky soil and a warm location. It is most comfortable along the wall of the house or in another sunny, wind-protected place in the garden. The bulbs are planted in the fall at a depth of about 15 centimeters. Compared to small flowering hyacinth varieties, such as grape hyacinths, large flowering varieties need to be removed from the ground after the leaves have faded and dried and stored in a dry, cool place until next fall. Hyacinths herald the arrival of spring. With their blossoms, they skillfully add color accents to the garden and finally end the gray of winter. However, the plants also provide exciting flowers and wonderful fragrance in the balcony box or in the planter on the terrace. In addition, hyacinths are very suitable as cut flowers. Due to their intense fragrance, they should not be placed in bedrooms. It is also very popular to make hyacinths bloom in winter and use them as decorative floral Advent or Christmas ornaments. Special bulbs for this purpose are available in specialized stores. With conventional bulbs from the garden does not always succeed that the hyacinth begins to bloom in winter. Especially decorative looks blooming hyacinth in a glass. For this purpose, special containers filled with lime-free water, called hyacinth jars, are used. However, the hyacinth bulb placed on top should not reach into the water. The hyacinth jar is placed in a dark and cool place. If it is too bright in the cellar or winter garden, the jar is given a cover of paper or cardboard. The optimum room temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Once the shoot reaches about 8 centimeters in height, the hyacinth is placed in a warmer place. The light cover should not be removed until the flower is formed. Although new cultivars continue to produce exciting flower colors, the hyacinth is not a new plant, but a plant with a long tradition. The plant owes its name to Greek mythology. Hyacinthus was originally a pre-Greek god who was worshipped and symbolized the blossoming and withering of nature. According to legend, the youth was accidentally killed by an errant discus throw from the god Apollo. Apollo was upset and very saddened by the youth's death, so he caused the hyacinth to sprout from Hyacinthus' blood. However, the original home of the hyacinth is the Orient. As an ornamental plant, it came to Europe in the 16th century, and from the 18th century, through intensive crossbreeding, the hyacinths known today with their large flowers and multifaceted colors.